Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you OpenCL on an Intel N100 by showing you Mandelbulber 2. So you can see I have Ubuntu on an Intel N100 with the iGPU. And here we have Mandelbulber. So for now I have no OpenCL, so we're running on the CPU. And as soon as you start zooming in, you can see that it will get slower and slower. So let's see if we have, so here you can see the time. And as I said, the more you zoom in, the slower it gets. So when we use OpenCL, then at first it needs to compile it, but after that it's really fast. So even if we keep zooming in, it's still pretty fast. So you can install the OpenCL driver with this command, intel-opencl-icd, that's the package name. And well, the reason why I started looking at OpenCL was that in my previous video I was testing Llama.cpp and I was running it with Falcon on the iGPU. So someone suggested to try to run Llama.cpp with SYCL or SYCL, I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, but unfortunately that failed. But yeah, so I was still able to get OpenCL working. So here you have the instructions to run Llama.cpp with SYCL or SYCL. And on Linux you can download the software in different ways. So on Ubuntu you can just use apt, and then first you need to add the repository, follow these instructions, and then you can install the base toolkit like this. So, but unfortunately, it looks like that Intel is no longer supporting OpenCL. And well, that's also visible in Mandelbulber. So if we go to the preferences, you can see that we have two platforms. But when we try the driver from Intel, then there is no OpenCL context. So that is a pity. I did try to get Llama.cpp working on an Intel N100, but I have the suspicion that you need at least an i3, because they say that you need to have an Intel Core or Intel Xeon. And I think the Intel N100, that is, you could say, based on the Celeron platform. So yeah, it's a pity that I wasn't able to get this working, and I was able to get up to here. I was able to build it, and then when I wanted to see if there is a device available, then it said it's not available. So yeah, I don't know how deep that rabbit hole goes to see if you can still get it working on an Intel N100. But yeah, for now I'm giving up on that one. So yeah, what I do want to try is see if I can get perhaps Llama.cpp working with OpenCL on a Rockchip RK3588. And well, that is perhaps something for the future. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.